So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, you know, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. This is breaking news. Trump just made a huge update about the stimulus that directly affects Uber and Lyft drivers. More generally affects both all Americans, but more so small business owners. So this could potentially lead to thousands of more dollars into Uber and Lyft drivers' pocket in the form of stimulus money. So if you guys remember back in March or April when the first stimulus bill was passed, Uber and Lyft drivers were qualified for these, for both PUA benefits, which was $600 per week in unemployment funds, as well as the state unemployment funds, which could be, you know, up to even $500 a week as well. So some drivers were even getting $1,000 a week in unemployment funds. But not only that, but a lot of drivers were also qualified for these small business loans or even grants that you didn't even need to pay back. I myself got $6,000 essentially in loans that I didn't need to pay back. So, you know, basically grants. So this could, you know, we could be getting, I know a lot of drivers didn't get that money. I was very, you know, I obviously do a lot of research for this channel, so I was, you know, looking at the news every single day. So I got the money really fast. A lot of drivers didn't, but if you are close, you know, if you're quick to hop on this one, you know exactly how to get that money. This could be very, very beneficial for you as a gig worker, not only Uber, Lyft driver, but you know, all gig workers as well. So self-employed people to be more generalized. But this channel obviously is about Uber and Lyft drivers, so I like to break down these news, you know, and see how it applies to Uber and Lyft drivers. So if you enjoy these types of videos, if you like, you know, free money into your pocket, hit that thumbs up button, please. It helps more people see this video. Don't worry, you know, the more people who see this video, or they're going to be specifically Uber and Lyft drivers, so we can all come together and get that money from the government. So we're talking about what Donald Trump just said. So this is super important. So without further ado, let's get started. So Donald Trump just recently made this announcement on Twitter. If you guys aren't on Twitter, that's okay. But Donald Trump makes a lot of announcements on Twitter. But basically what he just did he delete his tweets? No. Oh, here we go. So if you guys didn't know, the second stimulus has been being negotiated for like over a couple months now from the Democratic Party and the Republican Party. So this is what he said. Today, Nancy Pelosi is asking for a $2.4 trillion bailout, $2.4 trillion to bail out poorly run, high crime Democratic states, money that is in no way related to the illness. We made a very generous offer of $1.6 trillion, and as usual, she is not negotiating in good faith. I'm rejecting their request. So he denies, he just basically shut down the second stimulus bill and looking to the future of our country. So here we go, keep listening. I've instructed my representatives to stop negotiating until after the election, when immediately after I win, we will pass a major stimulus bill that focuses on hardworking Americans and small businesses. So that's us. This is the important part. We are the small businesses, guys. Not only are we hardworking Americans, but we are also small business owners. You as an Uber and a Lyft driver, or as a DoorDash worker or whatever, are technically a small business owner. I have asked Senator Mitch McConnell not to delay, but to instead focus full-time on approving my outstanding nominee to the United States Supreme Court, Amy Coney Barrett. Our economy is doing very well. The stock market is at record levels, jobs and unemployment also coming back in record numbers. We're leading the world in economic recovery, and the best is yet to come. Obviously, he's super hopeful, and this major stimulus bill will only be passed, obviously, if he does win the election. If he doesn't win the election, you know, it'll basically turn into the hands of Joe Biden on what he wants to do with the second stimulus bill. I myself am very hopeful. I think this is very good news if he does win. You know, I'm not saying whether or not I'm for it, but I do, you know, he's basically, he basically denied the $2.4 trillion bill, and his offer was $1.6 trillion. And this stimulus is going to be people who have been directly affected by the illness. So if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and your income has been down throughout the past 6 months, you could be looking at thousands of dollars in your bank account in money you do not need to pay back. So this is, you know, today's date is October 6th, so this will happen, he said, immediately after. So that would be on November, I believe the election is on November 3rd. Don't get me wrong, but I believe that is when we will see who our next president is. But anyways, guys, there's a lot going on in the news, so please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to keep up to date with everything that's going on. You don't want to miss out on any of these updates, and I will be going over multiple updates in future videos soon. So again, tap the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.